Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the network on the Smart Life application in 2026. Now, before even opening the Smart Life application, you need to first of all connect your phone to your new 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Now, most of the Smart Life and the 2-year devices do not support the 2.4 gigahertz. So you need to make sure that you separate the 2.4 gigahertz network in your device. Now you need to open the Smart Life application and select the device that will be showing you offline or unavailable. After doing so, what you need to do is you need to simply go to the device settings and then you need to remove it from the application completely. Now Smart Life usually doesn't provide you a direct change Wi-Fi button on the older devices. So you need to simply reset the smart device. So what you need to do is you need to simply press and hold either the power button for 5 to 10 seconds, or if there is a reset button available on your device, you just have to press that for at least 20 to 30 seconds. Now once it resets completely, you just have to simply open your Smart Life application again and now tap on the option of add new. Now over here you need to turn on the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth and wait for it to basically find your device. So when it finds your device, it will be shown over here in this particular section. So you need to simply select your device and enter the new Wi-Fi password and wait for the setup to finish. So once connected, your device should appear online again and it should work normally on the new network. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.